Winter walk in Manhattan, light snow in New York for UHD. Slow motion of taxis crossing wet streets, steam rising from subway grates. New York City, a place that never truly sleeps, even under a quiet snowfall. Today, we'll walk through the heart of Manhattan, from bustling avenues to hidden side streets, wrapped in winter's soft touch. Let the snowflakes guide us through the city's light and shadows in stunning 4K. Neon lights glow against gray sky. People in scarves and hats walk briskly. Our walk begins in Times Square, where cold air turns every breath to mist, and bright billboards shimmer through drifting snow. Crowds moving under giant screens, taxis splashing slush at curbs. Even in winter, this crossroads hums with life. Tourists posing for photos, yellow cabs weaving through slick streets, and performers bundled up, still dancing under falling flakes. Broadway and Theater District. Theater marquees glowing in afternoon light, posters framed by light snow. A few blocks south, Broadway's legendary theaters stand quietly, their doors opening soon for evening shows. Snow softens the noise here. Between matinees and evening crowds, there's a rare stillness, a moment to see the beauty in brick facades, bold neon signs, and timeless stories told inside. Bryant Park and the New York Public Library. Snow piling on stone lions outside the library, skaters gliding across Bryant Park rink. At Bryant Park, ice skaters draw gentle arcs on the rink, while the New York Public Library stands dignified under fresh snow. Visitors stepping inside for warmth, quiet reading rooms glowing with lamps. Inside, marble halls feel even more peaceful on a winter afternoon, a refuge of history and quiet thought in the middle of the city. Snow falling through bare tree branches. Fifth Avenue and shop windows. Elegant storefronts lined with wreaths and lights, window displays dusted with snow. Heading up Fifth Avenue, winter adds a silver edge to luxury storefronts. Window displays tell stories of winter wonderlands and holiday magic, drawing locals and visitors alike. Close-ups, reflections in glass, shoppers holding coffee cups, scarves pulled tighter. Even on the coldest day, the avenue feels alive, a moving tapestry of style, warmth, and human rhythm. Gentle acoustic guitar joining piano. Central Park, winter stillness, no blanketing winding paths, lampposts glowing at dusk. At the edge of Midtown, Central Park opens like a breath of calm. Snow softens each path, and stone bridges turn into fairy tale arches under drifting flakes. Close-ups, footprints fading behind us, ice forming along pond edges. In winter, the park belongs to quiet moments, distant dog walkers, bundled joggers, and the hush of snowfall on empty benches. The edge of evening, city lights. Street lamps flicker on, skyline glowing above darkening streets. As evening approaches, Manhattan's lights reflect off wet pavement. Snow continues to fall, catching the glow of taxis and storefronts. Pedestrians crossing under umbrellas, steam rising from manholes. This is winter's gift, making even the busiest street feel cinematic, every step part of an unwritten story. The sounds and silence of snow, footsteps crunching in fresh snow, distant sirens muffled by falling flakes. Snow changes the city's soundtrack. Horns softened, laughter gentler, footsteps slower. Each sound finds space in the hush of winter night. Reflections of lights in puddles and slush. In this quiet, we see New York not as noise, but as rhythm, texture, and breath. Nightfall and goodbye. Drone rising above snow-dusted rooftops, lights twinkling like constellations. As night falls, Manhattan glows. Office towers become lanterns and avenues pulse with quiet life. Snowflakes drift past camera, catching light. Thank you for walking with us tonight, through a winter's New York that feels softer, slower, and somehow even more alive. Last wide shot of Manhattan skyline beyond the park. Subscribe for more walking journeys through the world's most beautiful cities in every season, captured in calming 4K UHD.